Hello and welcome back for another Fantom price prediction update, and in this video I'll be diving deep into the technical analysis and also give you my next price targets. And before I do so, show some love by first giving this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And at the time of this recording, Fantom has continued to hold above our ascending trend line. We have also seen a breakout out of our key area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, and after seeing the breakout out of that key area of resistance, you can see that we have continued gearing up in a massive breakout that has now given us a high at around the $0.3302 mark. Fantom has also continued to obey the ED12 structures, where you can see that after seeing our massive crash on the 10th of June, giving us a low at around the $0.2121 mark, we started this massive recovery to the upside in a move that has now been obeying the ED12 structures, where you can see that I have this ED12 structure in yellow, where I'm terming that as a first wave to the upside. Then we saw a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that managed to get into the minimum retracement area highlighted on the charts using this blue target, that is this red target area that I came up with by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, giving me a target area between the Fib level 0.5 and the Fib level 0.382, which is an area that we fully maximized and saw a reaction of that target area and started an impulsive move to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And in my previous videos, I have been giving you my target areas for that third wave to the upper side by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. And that now gave me a minimum target area at the Fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.342 mark. And that is the minimum that I'm expecting Fantom to do in the formation of that wave 3. So there are high chances that now that we have seen a breakout out of our key area of resistance at around the $0.3075 mark, there are high chances that Fantom is going to continue gearing up and fully maximize the Fib level 1.618 at around the $0.34 mark, put in place the high for that third wave to the upside. Then afterwards we can expect a bit of a pullback in the formation of this wave 4 before we can continue gearing up in the formation of this wave 5 to complete an even larger impulse to the upper side in the formation of this larger ED wave count 1. Alternatively, there are high chances that we might not see that one more high in the formation of this wave 3, and there are chances that the high that you have made at around the $0.3313 mark might be the high for this third wave to the upper side. And if that is the case, there are chances that soon we can see a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4. And if that is the move that plays out on the charts, then using the Fibonacci's, connecting them from the low of the second wave to the high at around the $0.33 mark, we get a minimum retracement area for that fourth wave between the Fib level 0.382 and the Fib level 0.5, which is the area between the $0.2987 mark and the $0.2886 mark. So there are chances that in case we are unable to continue gearing up to get one more high over here and we continue seeing further breakdown, then we can watch out for this blue target area down here as a minimum reversal area for that fourth wave to the lower side. Then afterwards we can continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5. But remember that we have not yet fully maximized our Fib level 1.618, and we still have the chances of seeing one more high in the formation of that wave 3 before we can break down in the formation of that wave 4 to the lower side. So those are the two possible scenarios that I'm trying to watch out here on the Fantom chart. Also jumping to the 4-hour chart for further analysis and to give you what I'm expecting on the long term here on the Fantom chart. you can see that after seeing our November lows, we saw a 5-wave move to the upside, having the wave 5 giving us a high at around the $0.67 mark, completing the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 1. Then we started a breakdown move in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 2, in a move that has fully maximized minimum target areas, and there are high chances that in case Fantom is able to give us a complete 5-wave move on the charts, then after seeing the 5-wave move, an ABC corrective structure also follows before we can continue gearing up and see a break above significant highs here on the charts. That will be enough confirmation that the low for these higher Elliott wave count 2 is in, and that Fantom has now started a very impulsive move to the upside in the formation of these larger Elliott wave count 3 in a massive breakout that should possibly take us above the $1 mark. So that is what I'm expecting on the long-term point of view here on the Fantom chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the 4-hour RSI, we are trading at around the 63 mark. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.